मेरा रोल जैसे हर अवार्ड फंक्शन में होता है, मैं बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस करने वाली हूँ। I like the People's Choice Awards just because it's called PCA.
मुझे लगता है इतने डेब्यूज आज तक किसी ने एक साल में नहीं किए होंगे जितने इस साल हो गए।
नहीं नहीं, अभी तक ग्लोब आइकॉन नहीं बनी, एक ही गाना है। Slow and steady.
The launch of Colors People's Choice Awards 2012 was held at a 5-star hotel in Mumbai. Check it out.
Hi everybody, the donor is in the house again, and for a change I'm going to donate some surprises at People's Choice Awards. And I'm really proud to be part of this property because it's very unique. It's the most democratic award show in the history of Indian television.
I'm really excited to be here introducing to you all about the People's Choice Awards. I think the most unique thing about the People's Choice Awards is that it's a people's choice, and it is probably one of the first awards that are across various categories nominated by the people who watch their favorite entertainers. I mean, the way I see it, if you can vote for politicians, you should be able to vote for your favorite entertainers too. This is a democracy. Right. So I'm very excited to be introducing these awards to you, and I hope they end up becoming extremely great. I've seen the US version of these awards a lot of times, and I think Colors is the best platform to be presenting these awards. मेरा role जैसे हर award function में होता है, मैं बहुत अच्छा performance करने वाली हूँ. I love live acts, and I always try and do something different. And that's what I will be doing at the People's Choice Award this time too. And I thought that when I was approached to introduce the awards to the press, I was very, very honored. I like the People's Choice Awards just because it's called PCA. So, I mean, obviously I was the perfect choice to unveil this trophy. But the way I connect to it, like I've said, and I've been harping on about it, I mean, as much as I love the jury, by the way, please write that, I love the jury for next year. It's great that, you know, we'll be able to see an award function which is for the people, by the people. I think that's really cool.
This is the year of the debutants. It's not just me, there are other people as well. And मुझे लगता है इतने डेब्यूज आज तक किसी ने एक साल में नहीं किए होंगे जितने इस साल हो गए. So I don't know whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, but definitely cinema is looking beyond nepotism. I'm an outsider, and I'm just making my baby steps in the industry. It'll mean a lot to me for sure.
Ayushmann and me will give it to each other. Yeah. Best actor, best actress. Chalo, done. Done? Done.
I think best debut maybe, I don't know, but you were awesome in Barfi. You were brilliant in Barfi, seriously, Priyanka.
Barfi is not in the, it's not a part of the nominations this year because it's past the date.
Really? So maybe the best transition from film to music.
Okay, chalo, done.
Yeah, a unique award maybe.
And best donor? I don't know if I can give it.
Thanks.
You started off as a host, a successful host, then got into acting, successful actor, and now back to hosting. So have you hiked your rates?
I guess, yeah, of course. It's just the part of the game, I think. But yeah, since my debut was successful, fortunately. But I would not like to comment on that. I don't know. This is quite awkward. But, you know, I was used to asking questions, now answering questions. So being on the other side feels good. But I'm still learning how to answer questions. I think you need to be more intelligent to answer questions. You can just ask questions. You're always inquisitive and ask questions. Yeah.
Today you are the globe icon and everybody looks up to you. How do you feel about that?
नहीं नहीं, अभी तक globe icon नहीं बनी, एक ही गाना है. Slow and steady.
Okay, if you like.
I'm really glad that the song's done well, and I feel like you know, it's time for the world to get a taste of India. I hope that I can do that by taking my baby steps, just like he is. And it's a great feeling. I've always had people tell me that, you know, it's a feeling of, I think, being very nervous. It's my debut year in music, just like it's his debut year in movies. Mr. Sachin Tendulkar is our greatest Kohinoor, I would like to say. He is not just a sports personality anymore. He is an icon that every young person aspires to be, because he proves that you know, dreams can come true no matter where you're from, no matter what you do. As long as you believe in yourself and you have passion towards your job, no matter if you're young as Sachin was when he started, or even if, you know, you don't have people who are pushing you, you just have to believe in your talent. And he sells dreams to all of us young people, I think. So he is an incredible icon to have.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.